Today's assignment is called Introduction to Spreadsheets using Google Sheets and Pixel Art. It is a student favorite and it was actually requested by a student for this week. I'm going to demonstrate how to access and complete the assignment using a 6th grade class. However, it is generally the same no matter which grade and which class you are in for technology. So I'm going to click on my course, and then that takes me to the course homepage, and I will click on my grade level to get to the class calendar. In the calendar, I'm going to scroll down to week 5. So it is week 5, and you can click on any of the links in gold to get to this week's lesson. I usually tell students just to click on week 5. So that takes us to this week's lesson page. And what's new is that you should be messaging your teacher if you need help, if you're falling behind, if you have a question. Your teacher cannot chase you around and force you to accept help. So you have to do your part. You don't want to wait till you're 5 assignments behind and then expect somebody to help you. You have to try to keep up with it. Scrolling down, you should have completed and submitted the assignments for weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you need to access one of those assignments, you can click on the links in gold and it will take you directly to the assignment. The next section, Google Meet, is the same as it's been. You have 2 classes to attend this week. Scrolling down to the assignment section, you are going to see 2 assignments posted. I'm going to click on Holiday Pixel Art and Google Sheets. So when you click on that, it opens up the assignment in Canvas. It always jumps. I don't know why. And this is just an introductory title slide, and I will embed the video right here. But when you scroll down to the bottom to access the assignment, it's important that you click on the blue bar so that you attach the assignment to your Canvas and not click on this. If you click on this, it will not be attached and you will not be able to submit. So if you do not see the open to attach and submit button, you might see a blue link button. In that case, you would click on the blue link button. A box will pop open that has another blue link button. You'll click on that again, and then it will connect your Canvas account to your Google Drive, and then you'll have this button. When you click on this, it opens in a new tab. And you will see you then have the assignment attached here and you have a submit button. For some reason, students have the urge to click on this X. If you click on this, it is going to detach the assignment and you'll have to get another copy. So you don't want to do that. And you do not want to click on the submit button until you are done. When you click on submit, this file then becomes a view only file and you cannot edit it. I get a lot of requests from students to give them access to edit. What you have to do is you'll click on, if you click on this by mistake, you'll see that you can't edit, and what you have to do is then click on the unsubmit button. So if you need to edit it again, you need to click on unsubmit and unsubmit again. That is the only way you'll be able to edit that file. So when you're ready to go, you click on the file itself. It opens in a new tab. Now, if you are not working on a computer or a Chromebook, let's say you're working on an iPad or another tablet, you are going to have to download the Google Sheets app to complete this assignment. So if you look here at the bottom, you can see there are 8 pages on this Google Sheet. Page 1 is an intro, and it has some information on it. Here it says the space above the A is called the formula bar. So right here near the FX, this is the formula bar, and this is where you will type your information. Down here it says click on the number of each question and then type the answer in the formula bar above. So number 1, each box in a spreadsheet is called what? Each one of these boxes is called a cell. So you click on number 1, go up to your formula bar, you can see it here, and you'll type in the answer, cell. Go back up here. Okay, number 2, a vertical group of these boxes is called what? So if I select a vertical group, vertical going up and down, think about vertical blinds, right, on your sliding glass doors. That's how I remember. A group of vertical cells is called a column. So I'll click on number 2, go up here to the end of the question, and type in column, COLUMN. Number 3, a horizontal group of these boxes is called what? So if I select a horizontal group going across, like the horizon or like a sunset, that's the way I remember it, this here is called a row. So I'll click on number 3 and type in the word row. Now I'm ready to go on to the next page. So page 1 says picture 1. And this is the pixel art. What you're going to do is you're going to fill each cell with color using your paint can or paint bucket and reveal the mystery picture. So if I look here, I can see that number 2s are red, number 1 is silver, number 3 is green, number 4 is black. So all the number 4s are black. I'm going to click on a number 4, go to my paint can. Do not go to this letter A, that's text. You'll just change the text color. You want to fill the cell with color. Now you can select more than one cell at a time. You just click and drag. Just make sure you only select cells that have the same number and fill them with color. So anything that's number 4, you are going to fill with black color. And you'll just click and drag. So I won't go over here so I could see there's other numbers here. I'll just go here and fill this in. Now you might want to complete this by color and just do all the numbers first, or maybe you'll want to do it in sections. However you do it is up to you. I find that most students find this enjoyable and relaxing, and it's kind of easy. So I'm going to click. I'm going to try to do all of my number 4s first. And so I see here, this whole section here has 1s. And if I look, 1 is silver. So click and drag, go to the paint bucket. Now you can pick one of these, or you can go down in the custom colors and choose from there. See a couple more that I missed here. Number 4. All right, so the 2s are red. And I see there are a lot of 2s here, but there are a couple 3s in between. What I would do is I would probably fill these all in with red first, just to save some time. Okay, and I'll make them all red. And I'm not going into the custom because I like that first red. That's a good Christmas red. And then I would go through and do all of the number 3s green. So it's not like you have to go really quickly. You can just take your time, go through, and just try to make sure you don't miss anything. And I don't want to sit and make you watch me do this whole thing because you'll get bored. So, but once you're sure you have like most of these done, you can go on to the next picture. There are 6 pictures total. Do you have to do all of them? As of today, I'm going to say yes. It shouldn't take you that long, and it should be fun and easy. So I'm going to stop here so you don't fall asleep. Okay, but once you're done, all of the cells in this picture, you're going to go on to the next one, pictures 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and then the last one, so here we go, picture 2, picture 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once you're done, all 6 pages, you're going to go to the last page. How did you do? And what you're going to do is click on the circle so that it gets the blue outline, and then drag it over the emoji that best describes how you did on this assignment. So your self-assessment, you're going to think about how you did. Did you think it was so easy and you did so well that you could show your classmate if they needed help? Maybe you don't feel that confident, but you know you can do it by yourself. Maybe you found this challenging and you need more practice, or maybe you need help and you found it really difficult. The only person that's going to see this is your teacher. So pick one. And then when you have all the slides done, so you have to do these too, then you go back to this tab here with the blue check, and you're going to click on submit and submit again. And then you'll know it's submitted because you will then have an unsubmit button. The confetti does not fall on this assignment because it is a Google attached assignment and you're not actually submitting something on Canvas. And that's it for this assignment. If you have any questions, use your inbox and message your teacher. Your teacher's there to help you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.